How the Fat Burning Kitchen program can help you achieve weight loss success. This book will tell you what to eat and when to eat so that you can boost your metabolism, balance your hormones and prevent heart attacks and halt the development of cancer cells in your system. You can also get rid of type 2 diabetes by using this system. Are you aware that wheat is bad for you? Yes, even whole wheat. It might sound really odd for you, but it's the truth. Let me tell you why. Wheat or whole wheat causes glucose disruption. Glycation of your cells causes weight gain and makes you look much older than you really are. Compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, actually accelerate your aging process, which leads to damage over time to all of your body organs, joints, and it even causes wrinkles. High blood sugar levels can substantially increase the amount of AGEs in your body, accelerating your aging process and damaging all your organs, which is why people with diabetes type 2 look older than they really are, and they also have weak organs which are vulnerable to many diseases. The fact is that the whole sugar has an unusual and weird type of carbohydrate, amylopectin, which is technologically proven that it increases your blood sugar levels significantly, and consuming whole sugar can increase the chances of getting diabetes. I'd encourage you to check out the Fat Burning Kitchen if you want to lead a healthy lifestyle and want to burn fat and lose your weight naturally without any side effects. The key to safe fat loss is by boosting and controlling your metabolism by eating the right food at the correct time. Over 70,000 people have bought this book and every single one of them are completely delighted with the results. Not one person has requested a refund. This to me confirms how reliable and good the Fat Burning Kitchen is.